OBS is one of the world's most popular streaming/screen recording softwares that you can use, but it's not perfect and can sometimes throw very weird errors. My name is Yadullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about what to do if OBS throws a missing runtime components error when trying to launch. So the reason why these errors come up is because your OBS installation is lacking the Visual C++ redistributable packages that OBS needs to run. Now, chances are that these packages are already installed in your system. You just need to repair them. So to do this, we will press the Windows key to bring up the Start menu and search for Control Panel. Go ahead and click on it. In here, click on Programs. Go to Programs and Features. And this will bring up this list that you can see right here. Let me scroll down until I find my Visual C++ redistributable packages. Now, one thing to keep in mind is if you're installing Visual C++ on your system, any redistributable package, it could be 2010, 2012, 13, 15 to 19 or 15 to 22, you need to install both 64-bit and x86 or 32-bit packages, even if your system is 64-bit. It's just best if you install both of them and are able to deal with the problem better. Regardless, once you see these packages here, it means that the packages are installed. What we're going to do is I'm just going to select the 2015 to 2019 package, 64-bit. Go ahead and click on Change. And in here, I'm just going to click on Repair. It will ask you for permission, and then the setup will be successful. Now you have to repeat this process for all different redistributables installed on your system. So x84, x86, 2015 to 2019, 2015 to 2022, everything that is installed. If you have an older version of OBS, chances are you will need 2013 or 2012 or even 2010 if you have a really old OBS version, in which case you should really update your OBS version. This error often comes with a link to the redistributable package you need to go and install. So whether it's 2012, 2013, or 2019, whatever it is, you can go ahead and install it really quickly. If you don't have the link, all you have to do is open up Google and search for Visual C++ redistributable. And based on what version of OBS you have, if it's a relatively newer version, you can get away with 2019 or later, but it's just recommended if you install everything from 2013 onwards. So I'm just going to search for Visual C++ redistributable, and as you can see, this second link is right here. As soon as I get this page, this will automatically start the download. So this is for 2015. And as you can see, the download here is already waiting. So this is x64. You need x32. You need x86 and x64 both in order to be able to fix this problem. So your best chance is to just go ahead and install whatever package OBS prompts you to. But depending on your OBS version, you might need anything from 2010 to all the way to 2022. Just make sure you've got the Redis packages installed and you'll be good to go. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such content can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website, Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.